Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex in Pepperstone in 2026. Now in order to do it, first of all you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now when you log in into your account, simply click on the option of trading accounts in the left hand side. Then you need to select your live account or your demo account. Basically you need to open that particular account of yours in which you want to trade Forex. Now over here you can also click on the option of launch web trader, then follow further instructions in order to basically open this type of Pepperstone trading terminal in front of you. Now when you are here, you just have to simply change your chart to the Forex charts. You will also see the indices option over here, so you just have to simply click on the option of this drop down menu, then go to the publish lists, and here you will see the FX option. So when you select the option of FX, you will be shown the list of all of the Forex pairs in which you can basically place your trade. Like I've selected CAD CHF, but if you want to select, let's say, Euro CAD or USD pairs like USD CHF, you just have to select that, and then you can basically take a look at the chart. You can also make changes into the time frame of the chart. You can also mark the trend lines and bunch of different lines with the help of the tools that are available over here. And as per your trading strategy, you can place your buy and the sell orders after providing the lot size over here. So this way you will be able to trade Forex in Pepperstone. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.